to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for being here. If you're new, I'm Lola and I am here to share information that has worked for me. Today, I'll be sharing some breathing techniques that I learned in Bali at a retreat called Breathing Cold. I'm going to show you 3 methods that I learned at the retreat. I can't share them all just because we would be here for over an hour, but if you like this video, let me know and I can create a part 2 for it. Then to tie all the breathing methods together, we are going to do an ice bath. Breathing cold, ice bath. Do you see the connection? I do want to let you know that I'm not a doctor, I'm not a professional breathing method teacher, if you want to say. Okay, so are you ready to learn these breathing techniques? Can I get a oh yeah? Oh yeah. So this is where the ice bath is gonna happen. You guys know that I'm a clean freak, so of course I had to clean it all before filling it up with water. And we've already put 1 20-pound bag of ice in there along with all the ice that we had in the fridge. And we just got 2 more bags. We want it to be ice cold, you know, to shake us up. The first method that I'm going to show you is called ding. And basically what you do is you're going to activate your left brain hemisphere and your right brain hemisphere, and you're gonna bridge them together to just activate your brain. And to do that, we're gonna grab your right hand thumb and you're gonna use it to close your right nostril like this. Then you're gonna take your index finger and your middle finger and you're gonna put them right here on your forehead and between your eyebrows. And while the right is closed, you're gonna inhale through this left nostril. You're gonna hold it and then you're gonna use this finger to close it. Once you close it, then you exhale through the right nostril. And then we're gonna repeat. We're gonna now inhale through the right. We're gonna close and we're gonna exhale through the left. And we're gonna do that for 10 rounds. So this next method is going to help activate your core, and it's super important because we tend to store a lot of emotion here, especially as women. You know, a lot of emotions that we don't fully digest. So this is going to help us get rid of those emotions, release, let go of that. And then aside from that, it's going to help activate your core, your liver, you know, just all the organs that are close to there. And basically what you do, we take a deep breath in and then we're gonna release. And as we release, we're gonna go down. We're looking down and then we're gonna start moving our stomach, moving our core. And if you can't fully move your stomach, then what you can do is take your hands and also help massage. And you can help massage the area going around counterclockwise. And we're gonna repeat that one a few times as well. It helps restore your nervous system as well. So this one's gonna be really good to just let go. And now for the third and final technique that I'm going to show you, and my all-time favorite, is going to be laying down. So this is the one that I was talking about, that it's almost like a meditation. You can use it to visualize and really start to use this as a manifestation tool, or at least that's how I've used it and it has worked. So let's go ahead and get started. So we're going to be laying down. And basically we're going to release, we're going to take out all the carbon dioxide in our bodies. and then we're gonna bring in the oxygen. So we're gonna decrease the carbon dioxide in our bodies, we're gonna increase the oxygen, and we're gonna do so by breathing in through your nose, releasing through the mouth, and we're gonna do that for 30 times, but we're gonna do it fast for 30 times. We're gonna make sure that the inhaling of the air goes down to your stomach, to your belly, and that it also goes through your chest. We're gonna release, and then we're gonna stay laying down without breathing in or out, and we're just gonna practically hold our breath. And once our body asks for oxygen or asks you to inhale, push it, because that is just your limitations, your mental limitations telling you, oh my God, I need to breathe, because if I don't breathe, I'm gonna die. But no, you're not gonna die. Push yourself a little bit. Your body is gonna be full of oxygen at this point, so you don't have to inhale or exhale because the oxygen is all there. Once again, once your body just can absolutely take no more, you're gonna inhale one more time. And as you inhale, you're gonna tighten up your fists, you're gonna tighten up your core, your butt, and you're just gonna hold it there for 5 seconds. You know, you're gonna, let's say, create tension, and you're gonna hold it there. After you release the tension, you're gonna exhale, and you're gonna exhale the air through your teeth. So it's gonna sound like you're gonna do it slowly. Do not go really fast, do it slowly. And then you're gonna breathe in one more time, and then you're gonna release, and you're gonna enjoy the moment afterwards. You're just gonna stay there, and that's where you can use that moment to meditate, to visualize, to start manifesting what you want in your life. You can also play music during this technique. And what I like to do is go on YouTube and type in, you know, it can be 432 hertz or 967 hertz, and you do native drums, and it just sounds like God is right there with you. So there's 3 little tips that we can do, 3 little things that we can do to push past the mental limitations while you're not inhaling or exhaling. So basically where you're just holding your breath. One of them is batting your eyelashes, or just like, you know when people fall in love and you're just like, that's one of them. The other one is swallowing. You know, it tells your body, you're basically telling your brain that you are safe, that you're okay. Otherwise you wouldn't be swallowing and digesting, you know, liquid or food. And then the third one is smiling. If you smile, you're also telling your brain that you are okay because you are smiling. Otherwise, you know, if you were gonna die, you would not be smiling. So it's just these little tricks to trick your brain. So once again, I do want to let you guys know, be safe. This is techniques that I have learned from professionals, but obviously I'm showing you what has worked for me, and I know I said this at the beginning. I just want to make sure that you are safe and smart about it. If you want to do your research, I'll leave some links down here in the description that kind of talk about the process. I'll also link Alex and the Breathing Cold Bali retreat if you guys ever want to do his teacher training or his retreats. He does offer them online as well. Obviously go to Bali to really get the good experience, but I highly recommend him. And yeah, let's go ahead and let's do 3 more rounds before we get in that ice cold water. So the water is really cold, it's ice cold, and we're ready to jump in. As you saw, the ice was already input in here, so let's go. Woo! Woo, 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 woo! Hey, 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 I like it like that. Woo! Woo! There you see how the breath starts to catch up. It's been a minute since I've been in ice water, but what we can do is do what is called box breathing. So we're gonna breathe in for 4, hold it for 4, and then release for 4. So woo! And so by doing this box breathing, it starts to regulate my nervous system so that I can stay here for as long as I want. One thing about the ice water as well that we learned in the retreat is that a lot of trauma comes out here. So whatever your worry is, whatever your trauma is, release it into the water. Use this time to cry if you need to, scream if you need to, sing if you need to, but let go. Let it all go. And right now I just want to scream. The only emotion right now is scream, laugh, and just enjoy it. Because that's what life is for, right? To enjoy it. Woo! My hands are purple, but they feel good. Doesn't that feel good, Beto? So the little tricks that we spoke about earlier, we can use in the ice water as well. So smiling, blinking, and swallowing is gonna help, keep you in here. And then of course the breathing, so you're not just completely shaking, and so that you're regulating your temperature. This is how Wim Hof does it. When he climbs up the mountain in boxers, just like Alex, our instructor, did with him, they're just breathing the whole time, which will help you regulate your internal body temperature, which allows you to withstand cold situations such as this one. Woo! So we just got out of the ice water. I was in there for a little bit over 10 minutes, and my body right now, I just feel blood rushing all over it. It feels like my veins are just icy cold, but I feel so good. I have so much energy. So we're gonna go down, go to the grass, go to the sun, and shake it off, because that's how you really shake off the shivers and the cold. And shake it and shake it and shake it and shake it and shake it. Shake it, shake it, shake it. This is kind of similar to what Wim Hof calls the horse method, except we're not doing that. We're just literally gonna shake it and move all the energy and blood through our body. Also, doing these breathing exercises kind of make you feel like you're high, because you're high on your own supply. It feels like I have some ice packs running through my veins, running through my body, and it's just so much energy, so much, happiness. And that was it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. That would really help me out. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so that I can keep sharing these little tips with you. Love you. I'll see you next time.